What is up, YouTube? It's Ryan back. Got my dogs in the cut. See what's up with them. Gotta see what's up. What's up? I'm about to hit the canyon. We're on the second map right now. So far, I'm gonna have to adjust this wastegate. I'm gonna have to get a new spring, dial this in. Right now we're over boosting. I should be hitting about 20 psi. I'm hitting about 24, and it's pretty insane. So anyways, it's a fucking nice day out today. So we don't have sunlight, but we're gonna bring y'all. You know, sometimes you just gotta appreciate the little things you have. Like, it's a good day. It's a good day. That's all that matters. Anyways, for you guys that don't know, I am on a big boost N54. Anyway, guys, so car's already kind of warm, so I'm not going to show you guys a cold start today, but if I head out to the canyon, I will see y'all there. Anyways, we're on the way, but God, I could barely see the snow in the mountains. Yup, that's where we're going. Not exactly there, but going up there. I'll see y'all there. All right, we're about to start this. You guys can barely see that. But wow, that looks so nice. We're not going that deep or that way, sadly, but we might see some. I'm hoping to see a little some white out here. I'll be happy. Beautiful Monday. I don't even care if we're stuck behind this truck, really, because, like, who knows? If I'm speeding, I could die. You know, like, he could be in front of me for a reason, for all you know. Sheesh, not even hitting boost like that. Wastegate didn't even open up. Anyway, this guy was pulling off. Nice. We'll see if we run into someone out here. Usually there's other tug people out here running the canyons. Yeah, it's a nice, chilly, beautiful day. Speaking of chilling, let me had to turn that heater on real quick for me, man. It's getting kind of chilly. So my lettering is like 2, maybe 3 millimeters lifted above the tire. I'll show you guys once I park up, but the only thing that rubs is the lettering, which is hilarious. Like, my fitment is just that close. Like, we're talking about millimeters, not even like a centimeter, a millimeter, smaller than a centimeter, you know? For those that are shrimping, you know, millimeter, you know about those. But it's all good. I'm always shrimping, never simping. Sometimes you gotta have a motto to life. Fuck bitches, get money, shrimp is never simping. You know? I would say 2 hands on the steering wheel, but I got 1 hand on my cock. No, I'm kidding. I went on the camera, see? For those of you that don't believe me. Whoa, look at the purple. Purple. I like colors. Pink. Yep, purple and pink. Those are some nice colors. I would definitely change my car purple or pink. It's pretty nice if you ask me. So, that's why. Or like with the metallic flake. Oof. I'm a whore for metallic flakes. Like if you got metallic flakes, might as well just fuck me. Still not letting it hit boost, which is insane. I'm already fucking sweating my hands off. My palms are completely drenched. So just so you guys can know what it's like driving this car. You know, it's always something. It's pretty scary if you ask me. Anyways, so the rest of the canyon is going to be closed off up ahead. We've had this big storm. Pretty sure most of you guys know, but yep. But we're just gonna call this the spot where we're staying at. That's neutral. Yeah, my car's an auto. Who gives a fuck? Anyways, let's show y'all what I'm talking about when we say those tire stickers. Look at that. So literally just the top stickers are rubbing on my fender. But other than that, we're good. This car's solid. And now you guys see why I like this car? It's so fucking beautiful. Just look at that. Oh, and yeah, I cribbed the wheel. Don't worry. I just get sanded, repainted, something light. Ooh, this car smells literally like a fucking race car. If you haven't smelled the 85, it's a work of art. Shout out to Pearson Fuels. I should definitely get sponsored, but shout out to God, man. Look at this fucking view. The creator, whoever created us, thank you. Look at this. Absolutely freaking beautiful. I'm thankful, I'm blessed, I'm living, man. This is it. I could call this my home. Like, literally, this is basically like my home. It's pretty wet, so I kind of don't want to walk to the edge. You know, I don't want to have an incident, but you could definitely tell shit has been falling, you know? Like, it's not how it should be, but let's get to smoking, man. Let's roll up. Let's spark up. Let's get going.